Guys, your salesperson here, Randy Kushaba from Bennett GM, and today I have a little special treat for you guys. Today I want to present to you the all-new 2020 Cadillac XT6. Now it's got a 3.6 liter V6 engine with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The engine itself carries about 310 horsepower as well as 271 pounds of torque. Now the XT6 comes in two different trim levels. You got your premium luxury all-wheel drive as well as your sport all-wheel drive. As you see, there comes with lots of great options. Your front park assist sensors as well as your fog lamp lights. Now this is the first ever 7-seater passenger for Cadillac that they have. So there's no need to go into the Escalade anymore if you're looking for that additional room. The beautiful XT6 will have everything that you need and more. Now we're going to take a look at your passenger spacing here. You can see you got your captain's chair in the middle, as well as your third row back there. Now the third row is folded down in case you don't need the space. You can easily have additional room in your trunk there. Now believe it or not, that XT6 actually has more rear headroom and leg room than your Q7 is going to have, or even your Acura MDX. As far as your trunk space goes, as I mentioned, tons of room in your trunk space for any hockey bags, golf clubs, whatever your needs are. As you can see, that when the seats are folded down, it gives you that extra long room to store anything else that you need. Now, the nice thing about the premium luxury is your seats are actually capable, function remotely. So you can bring it up, you can bring them down. As you can see here, all three are remote there. And still giving you tons of spacing there. Park assist sensors in the back as well. The sensors will indicate anything that's behind you. Power lift gate, backup camera, all the great features there. Now we're going to hop into the driver's side here, take a look at a couple more options. See, with the premium luxury, you got your window options, your memory seating position as well, your number 1, number 2, your easy exit option. We're going to climb inside the vehicle itself. Take a look, you got your heads-up display, so the premium luxury does come equipped with that. As far as your steering wheel, a lot of gadgets to choose from. Heated steering wheel, your forward collision alert, cruise control settings, voice command settings as well too, and then you get your volume control for your radio. Now down over here, you have all your heating gauges, dual climate control, heated front seats, cooled seats as well. Nice features to have. As you take a look at your infotainment system, a little blurry, but as you can see there, you got your auto stop and start and your park assist sensors. Now I'm going to start this vehicle up here. You see the Cadillac Q system turning on. Okay, and continue. You got your audio there, your phone for your Bluetooth, of course navigation, nice feature to have. It's embedded. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and with OnStar, of course, you do get the Wi-Fi hotspot network there. Nice thing about your XT6, it does come equipped with your gorgeous moonroof, making those nice long drives in the country road really beautiful out there for you. Now guys, this all new XT6 is going to sell very fast, so make sure you're the first ones to grab one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Any other questions you have, please by all means visit us here at Bennett GM. Thank you.